Hi sir, Ashika this side. Tell me a little about yourself.
So I'm Anand. I'm a proud resident of SK Orion Gamma Tower, and again a proud member who has take the position. The first family has a position in this SK Orion. So we are the first family to shift here in SK Orion, and we are here for last 2.5 months.
Before you shifted over here, in the initial days जब सोसाइटी बना भी नहीं था, आपको किसने बताया SK के बारे में या फिर ओरायन के बारे में?
सो SK ग्रुप के बारे में आई हर्ड, मतलब फ्रेंड्स से और रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री से मुझे मालूम चलता रहता था. बट स्पेसिफिकली दिस प्रोजेक्ट एक रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट थे हु एडवाइज मी, हु टोल्ड मी कि एक्सप्रेसवे पे एक नया प्रोजेक्ट है, इट्स इन प्रोसेस, आप जाके देखो, इट्स अ गुड प्रोजेक्ट. तो SK का नाम पहले भी सुना था, तो आई केम हियर टू विजिट.
So what was one factor that made you या फिर that helped you decide to book your home in SK Orion?
One and the only factor that helped us is I heard about lot कि SK अपना पोजीशन जो है वो टाइमली देता है. इट वॉज ऑलवेज, जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट्स मैंने पहले सुने थे पास्ट में, इट वॉज ऑन टाइमली डिलीवरी. सो वी केम विद दैट आई वुड से इन माइंड कि एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट जब हम वी विल बी हियर, सो इट विल बी डिलीवर्ड ऑन टाइम.
And did it get delivered in time या फिर?
Yeah, well in time.
Well in time. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. So were all of those expectations met or not?
Yes, to a large extent, I would say it has met. So first thing that was back in mind कि quality of the construction should be at par, जो sample flat में हमने देखा था. And when you move in, we see कि quality is same what we see in the sample flat. Even the interiors that were in the sample flat was, I would say, more or less the same, rather exactly the same, which was there in the sample flat.
So any specific thing that you like about the layout as well, or any complaints that you have about the layout?
So specific thing that we we always look for is the room sizes. That was very good, I would say. Even all the bedrooms are very decent in size, and specifically the balcony, the width of the balcony is actually I would say is very appreciable.
What is the best thing that you like about SK as a developer?
SK as a developer, again I would say timely position, the quality construction, और जो उन्होंने दिखाया था sample flat में वो almost same करके दिया.
And in terms of amenities, again we have tried our best to give you as much as we can. So what is your favorite amenity when it comes to SK Orion?
As on today, I would say the playground and the playing amenities that is here. So I would say that is the best for us as a family, because I have a son who plays a lot of games here. So he has all the amenities. The playground is there for there is a basketball thing, and the cricket pitch is there. So the playground amenities, I would say, are the best that we are liking here in SK.
So because you have shifted over here, I firmly believe that you have already invited your family members. आपने get together party तो कर ही लिया होगा.
Yeah.
So any feedback that you got from your family and friends as well about the society?
So I would say they all liked it. We have done a small get together on 2nd of October, the day of we shifted here in SK Orion. So there were close to 15-20 families who came over, and I believe me, all of them have liked it. All the amenities, the quality construction, and overall I would say the overall feel of the society, they all liked it, and they have complimented us also.
Okay. So will you recommend this particular society to any of your friends and family who wants to shift over here or not?
For sure, if someone is looking to have a resident in this vicinity in Noida Expressway, for sure SK Orion is a very I would say a strong contender for that.
Okay.